Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unfriend a user on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it.
Order now.
And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now to unfriend a user, you can simply tap on profile icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on following which is available on the bottom screen of your device. So tap on it. Then you will see the option of friends. So again tap on it. Then you will see here are your friends like this. Scroll down below to unfollow a person. So now tap on three dot like this, or you can even tap on followers or following. So scroll down again and tap on three dots, or even you can tap on friends icon here. Then you will see the option of follow back. So see, your friends zone has been removed successfully on your TikTok account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.